The Senator Adaramodu, we have another very important thing to do here. With a great sense of humility, I'm very delighted to inform the Nigerian Senate and the public that indeed the earth has moved. Senator Mgbeke, are you hearing me? This is another letter addressed to His Excellency the Senate President. Notification of defection. I write to notify Your Excellency, the President of the Senate, and the Senate with great enthusiasm to express my keen interest and my decision to join the All Progressives Congress. As a passionate ranking senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, I firmly believe in the principles and values that the All Progressive Congress upholds, and I am eager to actively contribute to the betterment of our dear country and my constituents. And of course, the incoming victory of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, come 2027. For some time now, I have closely followed the renewed hope agenda of the President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, and I've been very impressed by the President's commitment and dedication to the implementation of the renewed hope agenda. The agenda emphasizes on inclusivity, environmental sustainability, education, and social welfare that resonate deeply with my personal beliefs. No weapon fashioned against this microphone shall prosper. The agenda emphasizes on, is there? Distinguished colleagues, Deputy Senate President, Leader of the Senate, there is an appeal here that in view of what is happening now, that you may wish to move for a relevant section of our rules to just permit the National Secretary of the All Progressives Congress to step into the chambers as a stranger for a few minutes. So move a motion to that effect.
Thank you, Mr. President, and the distinguished senators of the Federal Republic. What is going on to the APC as a ruling party, and equally aware of the desire of some of our colleagues in the House of Representatives who are members of APC, who would also like to be a part of it, all led by the National Secretary of APC. I'm standing to move that the relevant provisions of Order 12 on floor privileges be suspended to enable us admit strangers into the chamber. I so move, Mr. President.
Distinguished Deputy Senate President. No, this is not a floor privilege. You don't bring in the minorities because they may not be happy. Inside their heart, they may be weeping, so please second the motion.
Thank you, Mr. President. Barrow Jibrin, I stand to second the motion.
Thank you.
Ably moved by the leader of the Senate. I so second.
Thank you. Distinguished colleagues, support that we allow strangers briefly into the chambers to complete this ritual. Say aye. Those against say nay. just with the ayes have it. So the National Secretary of the APC, Sergeant at Arms, you can lead the National Secretary, and some members of the House of Representatives who are interested in shaking hands and a picture college with the Senate of the Federal Republic of Nigeria to step into the chambers. humility, I welcome distinguished Senator Adebola Bashir, the of this house, the young Akala, leading his colleagues to join us. And of course, I've noticed the state chairman of the APC from Osun State, out of excitement, decided to fly in just for this exercise. So you are all welcome, and I recognize all of you. So in that case, I won't go too much into the letters because for the necessary speed, but the summary of it is that the writer has actively participated in various community-driven initiatives, social campaigns, political campaigns, and public awareness events that align with the core values of the All Progressive Congress. These experiences have fueled his decision to join like-minded individuals and elected representatives to drive positive change at both the local, state, and national levels. I promised to bring my wealth of experience to bear at ensuring the victory of the APC from top to bottom. This first letter is signed by distinguished Senator Francis Father Honsi, OFR. Distinguished Senator Father Honsi, OFR. Distinguished Senator Ani, please, this is a very important thing, because as I speak, my voice is shaking.
Distinguished Senator Wadada, Distinguished Senator Ani, resume your seats.
Please. The whip has spoken. Distinguished Senator Father Honsi, but let's not finish. From Osun, State of Nigeria, we have another resignation from the People's Democratic Party. With deep heart, I submit my resignation as a member of the People's Democratic Party, effective immediately. This decision has not been taken lightly, but I feel compelled to do so due to the unresolved internal crisis, various litigations and cases, and lack of leadership at the apex of the People's Democratic Party. These issues have led to widespread disaffection and mistrust among members, making it very challenging for me and for all of us to effectively serve our constituents. The people of my hometown, my senatorial district, and the nation at large cry out for dividends of democracy, infrastructural development, education, and good health, and of course, employment opportunities, which today the fractured People's Democratic Party cannot provide. As a senator, I am committed to representing the interests of my people, but I can no longer do so under the current circumstances of violence, mistrust, and lack of leadership. Reasons for my resignation: unresolved internal crisis, the party's inability to address internal conflicts, which has created divisions, mistrust among all and sundry. Litigation, the numerous court cases involving party members have tarnished the party's image, disrupted its core mission, and fractured the umbrella. Lack of leadership. The absence of effective leadership has hindered the party's ability to articulate and pursue a clear vision. Factionalization of the party. Factions within the party are key issues leading to disputes and conflicts in the PDP. Also, signs of competing interests, leadership struggles, and the factionalized has weakened the entire party structure. I therefore state, that is the conclusion, I therefore state categorically that I am joining the people, the progressives. I am joining the progressives, the ruling party in Nigeria, the All Progressives Congress, under the leadership of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, which I am proud to represent henceforth from Osun Central Senatorial District in the 10th Senate of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. I want to thank you for your understanding. Signed, Distinguished Senator Olubiyi Oluwole Fadeyi, LLM, ABS, DSC, Senator representing Osun Central Senatorial District of Osun State. Leader of the Senate, with this letter and without much ado, I want to congratulate the representatives of the All Progressives Party, our very distinguished Senator Bashir, the National Secretary, for what has happened here. Before you came, I read out numerous letters from the opposition joining the APC. And we did our best to represent you by receiving them from the chair of the Senate President. May I now invite you to join us in the Fulton College. And distinguished APC leader of the Senate, can you please bring your people forward so that they can go to the right place? One of the founders of the APC, distinguished Senator Ngige, former governor of Anambra State, former minister, and all that, is also in the gallery. He's right inside the chambers to receive all these people. Congratulations to the incoming APC senators, and congratulations to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR. Call Distinguished Senator Ome, please go back to your seat. You are not allowed to come here. Where is Wadada? Senator Wadada. Senator Wadada. Moving from seat to seat will not help you here. Distinguished Senator Ngige. Senator Ngige, GSM, please come and join us to take picture. Leave Wadada alone. one of the most important items of the day, letter of resignation and notice of defection. Letter of resignation and notice of resignation. The President of the Senate, Senator Godswill Akpabio GCON. I know that Olalere would not like this one. That's why he's trying to talk to Sita. I write to formally notify you in line with the provisions of Section 40 and the proviso to Section 68, subsection 1G of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999, as amended, of my resignation from the People's Democratic Party, PDP, and my defection to the All Progressives Congress. This decision, though deeply considered, has become imperative in view of the prevailing political developments both in my constituency and within the party structure, which has been fractured beyond redemption. It is taken in the overall interest of my people to continue to provide effective representation and in accordance with my constitutional right to freedom of association. I sincerely thank the People's Democratic Party for the platform it provided when it was together to serve the good people of Akwa Ibom Northeast Senatorial District. I also extend my gratitude to my colleagues, party leaders, and supporters who stood by me throughout my time in the party. Kindly accept this letter as formal notification for the records, and please do extend the necessary legislative recognition and courtesies due me through this development. Thank you for your understanding and continued support. Yours faithfully, Senator Nigerianpolitics, PhD. So, distinguished Senator Mongunu, we must extend all courtesies to him, including sitting arrangement, so that he has depleted the rank and file of the left-hand side to populate the right-hand side. Leader of the Senate, somebody has just joined you from the People's Democratic Party, so Engineer Eze should allow you to listen. You have just gained another member. You've read it? I just read the letter, but I know Senator Eze was distracting you. So Senator Nigerianpolitics is now a member of the APC. I welcome him with open arms. Leader of the Senate, let me finish before you answer. Because they are all coming to you. They love the president, they love the party, and they love the government. So the second letter is titled Adaramodu, you are already with us in APC. You don't need to move. So sit. Senator Fassi. No, okay, but I'll come to that. Now, this second letter is dated, the earth has moved. I don't know where this really, maybe it's telling the truth. I write with a deep sense of responsibility to inform the President of the Senate of my political realignment from the People's Democratic Party to the All Progressives Congress. This development has come after a range of consultations with my constituents following the switch of even my state governor, Pastor Omoeno, to the APC, and the need to strengthen collaborations to develop my senatorial district and the larger Akwa Ibom state. I thank the People's Democratic Party, though fractured, for providing a power valve for me over the years to serve my people in Akwa Ibom state in several capacities. I will certainly recall my relationship with the party and my humble contributions within my own space to its near apotheosis before a set of complications precipitated its descent. This English is good. Politics is a game of interest, and if I may add, circumstances. The current division in the People's Democratic Party leaves me with no other option than to seek an alternative platform to continue to serve the good people of my constituency and Nigeria as a whole. Despite the switch, I look forward to working with my new party, party men and women in the All Progressives Congress, and indeed the Senate, as well as well-meaning Nigerians in the pursuit of ideals that have always inspired my political odyssey. Within the bigger picture of humanism, I'm reading what is here, constitutionalism, and national interests. Perhaps it should be pointed out that the presence of the President of the Senate, His Excellency Senator Godswill Oboro-Akpabio GCON, my State Governor, His Excellency Pastor Moeno, PhD, and all my Akwa Ibom National Assembly colleagues, among other influential personalities and critical socio-political institutions in my state, in the All Progressives Congress, marks in itself a watershed support instrument for the further realization of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's renewed hope agenda, while also pushing the interests of Akwa Ibom people through Governor Moeno's Arise agenda. Indeed, in Akwa Ibom said, the earth has moved. With the convergence of principal political players in Akwa Ibom said, on the APC platform, my people have high hopes of commensurate reward system from the APC power matrix for my state, which historically has been rooted in another political leaning. Thank you, Your Excellency, the Uncommon Senate President. Long live the All Progressives Congress. Long live Akwa Ibom South Senatorial District. Long live the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Sincerely, Senator Ekong Samson, PhD. He has just moved. That is the second one. That is the second one. It's not my English. He's a writer. The same Senator Ekong Samson, I hope he's here. Is he here? But the leader of the Senate, please receive them, because I'm dealing with Senator Nengi. I'm depleting your rank and file. Very soon you have no neighbor. So on behalf of, just before the point of order, on behalf of the All Progressive Congress, I want to sincerely welcome our colleagues, thank you, to the All Progressives Congress, and to note that yes, indeed, this cannot be the end. Yes. Call Distinguished Senator Ome, please go back to your seat. You are not allowed to come here. Where is Wadada? Senator Wadada. Senator Wadada. Moving from seat to seat will not help you here. Distinguished Senator Mgbeke. Senator Mgbeke. GSM, please come and join us to take picture. Leave Wadada alone.
That this is democracy at work. And let me also say, by way of emphasis, that part of the condition for registration of any political party in our country is that no party shall be registered without a commitment that its doors shall be open for membership, and that the party shall not discriminate against any intending member on the basis of religion or place of origin or any other reason or creed. The APC, as a registered political party in the country, complying with that law, has left its doors open to all intending members and stakeholders in Nigeria who wish to join the party. And I just want to congratulate you, Mr. President, as the leader of the party in the South-South and also in Akwa Ibom, that the governor of the state and the two other senators, as well as your House of Reps members, have come all under the real umbrella and canopy of the APC. I also want to congratulate our party and the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, who is the leader of the party, that Osun State has also produced 2 senators of the Federal Republic of Nigeria out of the 3 senators, as well as members of House of Reps joining the APC. For us, this is not about number. It is about further reminding us that we have a very serious job to do, and the fact that stakeholders within and outside of Nigeria remain committed to the ideals of the party. We realize the implications of this and the consequences of this development, and the party will continue to re-engineer its own philosophy and its activities, and do everything possible to ensure that we take Nigeria to the next level. Mr. President, and very distinguished colleagues, members of APC, I just want to congratulate you all again and say that we are not taking this for granted. And having said that, Mr. President, I want to say that the first order of the day is a motion standing